Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today we are looking at the analysis on the currency pair USD CHF. And first, we'll be talking about fundamental analysis before we move right down to technical analysis, following what we're seeing surrounding the fundamentals. First, we have heard that UBS has released a report analyzing the impact of the Swiss National Bank's unexpected March rate cut on currency markets, and the SNB's early action ahead of other major central banks has sparked a flurry of carry trades, leading to a significant weakening of the Swiss franc against major currencies, particularly the USD and the euro, of course. The yield, of course, makes a differential between the Swiss franc and the euro. Now, over 200 basis points has fueled the surge in the USD CHF pair and also likes of the euro CHF pair. We have seen that market futures suggest a substantial buildup of short positions in the Swiss franc, indicating downside risk for the exchange. However, UBS anticipates that these short portions will likely cap the upside of the United States dollar Swiss franc pair around the 0.92 level. While somewhere we are feeling that the Swiss economy is projected to maintain a growth rate of around 1.5%, while the US growth is expected to slow from 2.4% this year to 1.4% next year. Some S&B is predicted also to further reduce rates by 50 basis points on September, holding rates at 1% through the forecast horizon. Now, UBS also forecasts that Federal Reserves will commence rate reductions in September, totaling about 100 basis points by June 2025. And this policy shift is expected to keep the Swiss franc under pressure until the Fed's rate cut later in the year. Now, holding on to this, we are feeling that this report will further make the United States dollars and the Switzerland franc to have a much more solid momentum. Checking our 4 hours time frame, we have seen a very important Marubozu candle, completely wickless, and looking to extend its run at least to this most important, most recent support zone at 0.89864, which from this end it's close to 63 to 70 pips from that point. Of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair USD CHF. Now let's slide down to the stock markets. Hello, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock market, we're having a dig at Nintendo. Headlining, we've seen that Brave Souls Bleach to be released on the Nintendo Switch and Xbox with 1,000-year Blood War Zenith. And now this, of course, has been sparking some improvements on the Nintendo stock. We are seeing a halt at a very important support zone at 12.91, and this looks like a very important retracement at this point. So we are expecting most traders to pay attention to this reversal, which is going to definitely head back to the 13.44 axis, which is about 45 pips from that point. And extending this run, we are seeing that due to the fact that it announced that its Hit 3D action game, Bleach, will be released soon, it's expected to skyrocket past that support and head to a new zone, of course, much more higher zone than the previous one at 13.76, which from that point is an additional 13 pips extra, making it 66 pips. And this achievement, of course, is supposed to skyrocket sooner than expected as we wait for a retracement to happen. And that's our technical analysis on today's stock market as well. Nintendo, I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.